new intro. If I don't scare somebody, am I even streaming?
Hello, this is my normal voice. How's everybody doing?
I've still got my big camera. Just so I can waggle my eyebrows at y'all. Listen, we're gonna do makeup today. I've prepped my face. We're gonna use this tremendous palette again. Because it's got all of the colours of the pride. We're gonna make big rainbows again. I have those peel off eyebrows on that I used last time because I feel like these are gonna be beneficial so I don't actually have to do eyebrows on camera. Because those things are hard to do. You see these sharp lines? That's hard to do. I haven't actually picked a makeup look, so you need to help me pick a rainbow. I need rainbows. I feel in both of them. I like this one because of the nice orangey. This one's really dark and like all in there. In fact, this one's more colourful. Let's go for this one. Fuck it! I've decided! We're going for this one. Okay. How do I do this? What do I start with? Don't know. Let's just try it. We're going to start with yellow. Hopefully I'll have enough brushes for all this bullshit. I'm scared. Don't know about this. This isn't going to go well. Ah! Shit, I didn't prime my eyelids. Fuck. Let me do it again. Prime, prime, prime. Gotta fucking prime. Oh, fucking prime. Prime. For everybody who's listening, this is a beauty blender. It's a fucking sponge. And they try and charge 20 quid for a sponge. Try again. Okay, I'm taking the tiny little bit of this Hello Sunshine yellowy colour and just like the tiniest bit. Blend the tiny bit into. And then we're going to build up some colour with this yellow, hopefully. This is really hard because there's a microphone right in the way of where I need my arm to be. Nice colour contact lenses? What are you talking about? These are my eyes. See? It's just my eye. Normal eye colours. Let me just show my dog that it's rainy, shitty outside, and then she'll be happy. Wait, look! There's no sunshine, see? There's no sunshine for you. No, it's all gone. Lovely. Look at all of her hopes and dreams dying. It's pretty accurate. Like my new layout as well. Look at this. I made a new layout. Did you notice? Did you notice my new layout? We got 2 oranges, I suppose, that we could use for this. I suppose we should use them both. Going with this one. And then move to this one. And then move to the reds. Oh god, this is gonna be so precise. Okay, we're going in with Tangerine Dream. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Look how pretty. I like it. Don't worry, we're going to cut this crease later. We're going to cut it and it'll be divine. Just you wait. Okay, we got the orange. We got the yellow. What colour did I say I was going in with? Hot stuff. We're going with hot. Ooh. Oh. That's too much. Need to blend it. We'll do our own colours. Kind of. We can't get it perfect. It's never going to be perfectly like the picture. I can remember somebody trying to explain what a meme was to me. I'm like, it's pronounced meme. This is like the last step that I should be doing is highlighting, but I wanted to put a nice little bit of yellow here. Okay, what next colour are we going in with? Oh, this looks real weird. I'm going in with Tutu, darling. Tutu. Look how pretty that is. Tutu. I think this might be a bit too big for under here. Are we going big? We're going big. Look up there at the corner. There's a mark on my wall and it annoys me. I just fucking painted this room. Oh, that's so pretty. This one's called Modern Way. Oh, that's too much, but look how pretty. What's she got? She's got a dark colour. I kind of want this nice bright colour though. I'm going to do a mixture of Splash and Paradise. So we've got a Paradise Splash under my eyes. Not that you know what that means. Oh, this palette here, £4. For all of this. Oh, she's got downstairs eyelashes as well. Why can't I have downstairs lashes? Okay, wow. That looks so much brighter on camera than it does in real life. And we gotta make a wing on here as well. If I fuck up the wing, I'm gonna be so mad. I'd say that's not too bad, you know? I'd say I did miss green out. Shit. Do I need green? Does green need to be in a rainbow? That makes sense if I put it here. I'm not mad at it. It looks fine. Colours. I've never been this colourful in my whole entire life. So I'm gonna go in with Revoloution Pro Full Coverage Camouflage Concealer because this shit is the bomb. Cutting time. Oh, scary. Cut it. We got big rainbows for Big Pride Week. Month, even. Not week. This makeup's kind of reminding me of pizza because it looks like cheese. Rainbow cheese. Kicky, butt stabs. In the butt stabs. Everything she does is a butt stab. Hey! It makes me look tired. Why do I look tired? I mean, I am tired. It makes me look tired, though. Yeah, okay. I think we're done for this part. I think the majority of that is okay. Delightful. Rainbows on my eyes. What do I gotta do next? Winged eyeliner. Okay. Winged eyeliner. We can do this. It's gonna be easy. You like what you see? You like it? Not bad already, look. Look at this bullshit. Don't worry about it. It's nowhere near. God damn it. Why can't somebody invent an easy tool for me to do this? Oh, you're making a mess of your bed, Gilly. Oh my god. That face, though. She looks like an evil demon. Looks very symmetric. Good. That's what I like to see here. We got to set it with some lace setting powder. Baking. We gotta bake the face now. Peel my eyebrows off, said nobody ever. Until today. I'm red because I'm dead warm. I'm gonna have to change. Oh, look, she's hiding under the blanket. Okay, it looking pretty good right now. Let's take off the eyebrows. My favouriteest part. Wait, do I have a good line? I do have a good line. Oh, goodbye eyebrow. Hello eyebrow. Gross. There you go. That's how you make eyebrows. You just gotta peel your normal eyebrows off and you'll have new eyebrows underneath. I promise. That's how it works. Time for some of these. I need to cut them down. Or did I already cut them down? I might have already cut them down. Okay, wish me luck. Uh-oh. It's not going well. Oh, okay. Panic over. Got it on. Ah! Poked my eye. Right in my eye. Oh, no. Second one. Let's go. Let's try this again. Look at that. First try, bitches. First try. There you go. You just need that let them dry and then I can put a little bit of mascara on my actual lashes to blend them in. Oh no, it came off. Oh, you bitch. The picture has like false eyelashes on. There's no way I'm going to put false eyelashes on my bottom eyelashes. We got, what's this? Watermelon, red rum, Anna Nicole, or prom night. That looks weird. Okay, not this colour. Booty. Watermelon soda? I think maybe not. I think maybe Doll Paths was the winner. Not that I need it. My face is already shiny with the heat. I gotta go change into something less hot. Thank you guys for today. I really, really appreciate it. I had such a blast doing my makeup and stuff. You guys are awesome. Bye! Bye, 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 bye. Shout out the moon, shout out the berries, shout out to everything. We're just gonna shout out everybody. I will see you later. Bye, 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 bye.